How do you do an oil change on your Toro push mower? Let me show you. So this is Toro model 21442 with the Briggs & Stratton GTS 150cc engine. Here's the model number and serial number. To do this job, it's really easy. All you're going to need is a drain pan, something to catch the oil. You're going to need some AMSOIL 100% synthetic 10W30 commercial grade high zinc small engine oil. A little bit of cardboard so you don't make a mess. Now all you're going to do is just take off the oil cap here. Then you're going to lean it over and dump it into your drain pan. Make sure your engine's hot. Warm it up before you do this so you can get all the old oil out. All right, take our cap off and then dump it over. Here it comes. Oh yeah, look at that dirty oil. Bye-bye, dirty oil. All right. Now, a little tip that I'd recommend for you is wait to do this when you are out of gas or just about out of gas, so you don't spill a full tank when you dump it over, when you tip it over to drain out the old oil. While we're waiting, I'm going to use some AMSOIL brake and parts cleaner just to clean off the oil cap and the dipstick. There's a lot of dirt around here. There we go. All right, I'd say we got the bulk of it out. I'm down to a super slow drip. Let's tip this back over. My favorite oil for these small engine, these mowers, is the AMSOIL 100% synthetic small engine commercial grade high zinc formula motor oil. It's specifically designed from the ground up for those air-cooled, hot commercial grade mowers. And it has a service life up to 200 hours. This particular engine requires 15 ounces of oil. I've already measured it out here from my big gallon jug, and I've measured it out perfect for 15 ounces, or pretty darn close. All right, let's fill her up. Ah, there it goes, liquid gold. All right. 15 ounces coming up. Reinstall my cap and my dipstick. There we go. Now let's fire it up. Easy job. I recommend doing this at least once a year. Make sure you take your oil, dispose it properly to your local landfill recycle center, or a lot of the local auto parts stores or even shops might take it for you. To give your small engine the best performance and protection possible, visit my website, officeroil.com. Click on any of my links to learn about wholesale pricing. We'll drop ship it to your door. We'll see you next time on the next Fighting Friction video.